A new toy?
Yeah.
Which one? What toy? Which one? Show me. Come on, bring it up. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's neat. What are this?
This is popcorn.
For corn? For cooking?
Look.
What is that?
This-
What's in here? Oh, what is this in here? Okay. Tell me, what's this? What is this one?
Lemon.
Tell me, what's this?
Lemon.
Lemon and
Cherry.
carrot. What is that? Pepper?
This is pepper.
Yeah, that's pepper.
What's this?
That is bitter.
Beer?
Yeah, bitter gourd. Go. What's that? Next.
Next.
What is that?
Popcorn.
That's corn.
Corn.
And what about this one?
Pepper.
Pineapple.
Pocket. Kiwi.
Kiwi. Apple.
Grape.
Grape.
Lemon. Mushroom. My fridge is out.
What is that?
Bat.
What is that? That is cabbage.
This is a cabbage.
What about this one?
What the?
Yeah, what is that?
Tomato.
Tomato.
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Pitaya.
Pizza. Fruit.
What is that?
Banana.
Banana. That one is cantaloupe.
I can't do it.
Yeah. And this
Strawberry.
strawberry.
Over.
Plate.
Big
Chopping
strawberry.
block.
Block.
And this one knife plate
This one.
of cutting.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's open it. What's inside? Let's open it. Wow, that's good. Okay.
Look at it here.
Wow. That's a watermelon.
Look at today.
Cutting?
Yeah.
Wow.
And
Here's all the
lemon.
fruit. What is that?
Lemon.
That's a lemon?
I put a lemon in it.
That's a watermelon? Wow.
So,
Put on the plate, right? Put on the plate, Monika. Just put on the plate.
this is a lot.
Okay. That's a tomato?
Yeah. Whoa.
Do you like the tomato?
Yeah. I like tomato.
You want to eat that?
Yes.
Okay. What's on the plate?
1, 2, 3.
Three plate? Okay. That is corn. Do you like corn?
Yes. I like carrot.
You like carrot?
It can reach. It can reach.
You cannot reach?
Look.
That's a banana. Yes.
And this.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, jangan.
It can reach.
Yep. Right there. Good job.
It's working.
Yeah, that's working. Let me see. Yeah. That is good. That is good. Banana.
More.
So what is that?
I want a sparky.
That's a pumpkin?
Where?
Right here. Yeah. Yeah.
There's a pumpkin.
Yep, that is a pumpkin.
About this. Yeah.
Wow, that's delicious fruit. You have corn. See, you have corn. You have grape, carrot.
It's broccoli.
Yeah, that's broccoli. Do you like broccoli?
Yes.
Did you eat it?
Where? There.
What is that?
That's a
Eggplant.
eggplant. That's not eggplant.
Eggplant. Drop. And what about that one?
That's a kiwi.
That's a kiwi. Do you like kiwi?
Yeah.
Can I eat it? Can I have kiwi, please?
Wait.
Wait. Okay.
That's a. What's it?
That's a dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit?
Yeah.
About this one?
It's a cabbage.
A cabbage?
Yeah. What is that?
That's a lemon.
How's a lemon taste? Is that lemon sweet?
That's a sour.
That's sour? Do you like lemon? Monika, do you like lemon?
This is a strawberry.
Strawberry. Wow, look at this. See what you got from school. You got a happy Halloween. It's a spider. Monika. It's supposed to be turkeys, this one, but you lost it.
What's it?
And another one, turkey. And this one also
What's it?
turkey.
What's it?
That's a turkey.
Turkey?
Yeah. You met from school, right? You met in school.
I go to school this.
You want to bring those to school?
Yeah.
You want to share with your friend?
Yeah.
What's your friend's name?
Sister.
What's your friend's name?
Sister.
How many? How many friends you have? 2, 3, 4, 5.
Just 5 minutes.
Oh, it's a 5.
Tomato.
Tomato.
It's a tomato.
You done?
Yeah.
So okay, put everything back in the bucket, right?
What?
Yeah. Wow, good job, Monika. Put everything back in the bucket. Good job. You done?
Yeah.
Okay. And say good.
Bye.
See you
See you.
next video.
Yes, we are.
Please
Please
subscribe
subscribe
my
my
channel.
channel.
Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Bye bye. Wait. Let's see.